How to log in to Korean Air SKYPASS? Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Korean Air SKYPASS login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.koreanair.com. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. You can use user ID or SKYPASS number to log in. Go ahead and select the option of your choice. Then type in your SKYPASS number or the user ID. Then go ahead and type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember SKYPASS. After you fill this, click on Login. Just with that, you'll be logged into your account. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you fill this, click on Login, and just with that, you'll be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Sign Up and go through the process. If you have used Facebook, Google, Line or Apple ID to create your account, you can use these options given over here to log in. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into Korean Your SKYPASS account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.